Hi, I'm Debra Weller, Storyteller, and I want to share with you some fun things you can do with children with both food and storytelling. Here's some ingredients you might want to have on hand. A banana, peanut butter, but if you have peanut allergies or nut allergies, you'll just want to have some cream cheese on hand. Maybe even some Nutella kind of spread or the sunflower spread. I also have some blueberries and a carrot, some raisins or cran raisins will do as well. And of course, we love chocolate. So there would be chocolate in my recipe as well. So now for the food fun. Once there was a little girl and she was playing with her toys. She put a tablecloth on her little wooden table, got out her tea set and wondered, who will come to my tea party today? At that moment, the front door, which had been left ajar, squeaked, and in crawled a little baby bear. And she said, "Baby bear, won't you come to my tea party?" And baby bear said, "I would love to." And so we have a little baby bear. It is made with bread, bananas for the eyes with chocolate chips on top, a little cran raisin for the nose, and little chocolate chips here and strawberries for the ears. What kinds of things would you make your creation with? And remember, instead of peanut butter, you can change it out to sunflower spread, or you can change it into using cream cheese to help with allergies. Well, not only did a baby bear come in the door to have tea with the little girl, but an owl came by. She was awake earlier than usual, and she said, who can come to the tea party? And the bear and the little girl said, "Welcome, Owl. We're happy to have you with us." And so we have Owl here, cream cheese for the base on the bread, strawberries for the tufts, blueberries and bananas for the eyes, a little cran raisin for the nose, and the strawberries sliced here. Food fun. I found some of my ideas on Pinterest. What kind of imagination can you and the children in your life have to make a fun creation?